Hi guys, welcome to Crypto Sage. On this channel we provide useful updates, trading tutorials, how-to videos and other useful materials and information, NFTs and leveraging technology to invest in other assets. Now if that seems good and interesting to you, which I know it does, please hit the subscribe button below and do not forget to hit the notification bells to get notified when we drop an amazing video like this. In this tutorial, we cover everything from how to install your Phantom wallet, to setting up your Phantom wallet in a Chrome browser, to launching your Phantom wallet. Before that, let's briefly discuss about Phantom wallet. Now Phantom wallet is not like a normal wallet where you keep your money. A Phantom wallet is a cryptocurrency wallet used to store, transfer, receive, stake and exchange Solana tokens. You can transact and interact with DeFi applications, exchanges, NFT platforms and games on the Solana blockchains using Phantom wallet. Phantom wallet is the best Solana wallet overall for NFT, DeFi and staking. Almost every NFT marketplace built on Solana supports Phantom wallet. So without wasting much of your time, let's go over to installing a Phantom wallet extension on your Chrome browser. Please ensure to follow the steps outlined below in this video to install the Phantom wallet plugin and create a Phantom account. You can rewatch this video again if you don't get it the first time, but I know you will. But just make sure you stay till the end. To download the Phantom wallet extension, go over to the Phantom website or go straight to Google Chrome or Firefox extension store and search for Phantom wallet. Click the Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button on the Chrome extension store or Firefox extension store. When you click the Add to Chrome or Add to Firefox button, Phantom wallet extension will be added to your browser. Upon successful installation, the Phantom wallet window will now appear in a new tab immediately. In such case, you can click the puzzle icon in the upper right corner of your browser and select Phantom wallet. For easier access in the future, you may pin the Phantom wallet extension using the pin icon button. If you're using a Firefox browser, click the Phantom wallet icon in the upper right corner of your Firefox window. It will now open in a new tab. After clicking the Phantom wallet, you could see two options. If you're a new user, click on Create New Wallet. After pressing the Create New Wallet button, the secret recovery phrase could be viewed. Please enter it somewhere discreet. Your account could only be recovered using the secret recovery phrase, and please don't show anybody the secret recovery phrase. Whoever has the secret recovery phrase has access to your wallet and you don't want that. And if you lose your secret recovery phrase, all is lost. Your secret recovery phrase can be stored in a hardware wallet, mobile wallet or a desktop wallet. Otherwise, you can record information on paper and store it in a secure location. Creating a password for your Phantom wallet is the next step. Input your password into the password form and click Confirm Password. Set a strong password consisting of a combination of numbers, letters and special characters. After entering the password, you have to select the checkbox and click the Save. Before selecting, please review the Terms of Service. The Terms of Service contains a privacy policy, a third-party services, content ownership and right removal, rights, fees, a policy for account cancellation, and government law. To open Phantom wallet without navigating in your browser, use Alt plus Shift plus P. Click the Continue button here. This is among the coolest features to utilize, and that is on how to install, set up and launch Phantom wallet in a Chrome browser. If you're using a smartphone and you don't know how to set up a Phantom wallet on your device, leave a comment down below and do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells to get notified. On our next video, we're going to talk about how you can stake, swap and add Solana to your Phantom wallet. Do not miss it and please do not forget to subscribe and hit the notification bells.